sharing with you guys how I customized my iPhone with the new iOS 14. I went for like a beachy, neutral, pink aesthetic, I'd say. I'm gonna be telling you guys how I did that. It's actually a really easy process. Who is calling me? I have no idea who that is. Let's get into it. So this is my iPhone. I started off by putting blue ocean water as the background, and I've never seen water this clear in my life, but this is just so pretty. These are just the different pages on my phone. So I have the home screen, which has like a calendar, a clock, and then when you go over to the next slide, it says most used, and these are probably my most used apps. Then when you slide to the next slide, it's photo editing, and I basically have all my photo editing apps on there. And then when you slide again, it's just more apps. And then when you slide again, it brings you to the app library, which is like basically all the apps that aren't on your home screen. But then when you go all the way back to the end and you swipe to that little like search area, I just have some October fall inspired just little doodads and thingamajiggies. So I have October at the top because that is so pretty. Isn't that like so pretty? It's like glittery and pumpkins. I'm like, yes. And then you slide up and there's like some pretty ghosts. I don't know. There's just a bunch of cute little quotes on there. So when you customize your phone with the iOS 14, you can customize it with what Apple already has on there. But if you want to make it like whatever your aesthetic is, then this is how you do it. So you first go to Pinterest and screenshot a bunch of just like pictures that you love, pictures that you want to have like be the front of your apps. Some people do like a different theme on each page. If you guys want to use the same ones that I have, I actually made a Pinterest board for you guys. I really hope this helps you guys out. My Pinterest is just lulufox Pinterest. I made a whole board dedicated to iOS 14 customization, and I really hope you guys like it. Once you do that and you have all of your pictures screenshotted, then you're just going to go into this app called Shortcuts. When you're in Shortcuts, you're just gonna press the little plus button. Once you hit the plus, then you're just gonna type in the little search bar, open app. So once you hit that, you're gonna hit choose and choose whichever app you want. So basically you could either search your apps at the top with the search bar, or you can just scroll down and find your app. Then once you find your app, say it was like Spotify or YouTube or Instagram, you're just going to click it and then it'll bring you to this little screen, and you're basically just gonna click the 3 dots. Then you're gonna hit add to home screen, and then once you hit that, it brings you to this little page, and then you're gonna click the little picture next to the little bar that says like new shortcut, and you're gonna click it and then go through your camera roll until you find a picture that you want to set as your app screen cover. Once you select it, then you're just going to customize like whatever you want to call your shortcut. You can leave it as like shortcut 1, but I called mine like Instagram or like YouTube, or you can even add like little emojis as the covers. Most of the time when you download an app, it's like I'm just confusing. Basically what I'm trying to say is that like the first letter is capitalized and the rest aren't. I put all of mine in like lowercase because I thought that seemed aesthetic. I was between uppercase and lowercase, like all, because I thought that'd just be fun. But I ended up doing lowercase because then you can fit more letters. Once you hit the add to home screen button, then it's automatically going to show you this check mark and add it to the home screen. It'll either add it to like the first page or whichever page like has an open spot. And then the next time you want to add a new one, you just hit the plus again and repeat the process. So that is how you add the little app covers. And then I'm going to be telling you guys how to add the little like what I have right here, like the calendar and the clock. Apple already has one that is synced up to your phone app calendar. So if you want to use that one, then you can just hit edit home screen and then hit the plus and then it'll show up. But I wanted mine to be a different color. I wanted it to match. So go into the App Store and add Widgetsmith. I don't know when this app came out. I think it just came out for this update. When you open Widgetsmith, there are like 3 different sizes. There's the large, the medium, and the small. So I only used the medium and the small for the homepage. So you basically just go through, pick like if you want it to be a calendar, a clock, anything, and you pick like the style, the font, the colors. If you guys want to do the exact calendar that I have, it is the font New York, the color cream, the text color in white, and I think it's called the date and calendar. I don't know, I'll put it here, whatever the like name of the layout is. And then for my clock, I did a light pink, and it turned out so pretty and I love it, and I'll show you guys what I did to customize that one. And then you guys might be wondering what I used to do the little titles that say like most used, photo editing, more. So basically for that, I just found a really pretty picture on Pinterest that was like a marbly, glittery pink rock, and I screenshotted that and cropped it to, I'm forgetting. Wait, you're like, why don't I just look? I forget. Most of the time I film on my phone, but my sister let me film on hers so that I could, you know, use my phone, and then I'm like, not even using it. You're gonna crop it to 9:16, and then basically you can go into any app that you can like add text to photos. You can even use Instagram because Instagram has some really cute fonts now. For mine, I did most used, photo editing, and more because I just thought those were good. Save it and then go back into Widgetsmith and select the like medium, large, or small widget, whichever size you want, and you're going to click it and scroll down to the photo layout and just click it, and then all you have to do for this one is just hit the photo that you want to choose, and then you're just going to go back into the home screen, hit edit home screen I think, and then you're going to hit the plus, hit add widget, scroll to whichever size you had, add widget, and then when it adds, it might add like a different widget, so you're just going to click on it, hit edit widget, and then scroll down to whatever widget you want it to be. You can also make a title by using the add text feature. I don't know why I didn't mention that before, but it works really well and it matches the calendar and the clock. I also used the shortcuts app to make my name at the bottom on the little bar that like stays at the bottom, and so it just says Lulu, which I thought was really cute. And that's super easy. All you do is take a picture from Pinterest, go into Instagram or any app that you can like add text to photos, and then you're going to just write your name. My name worked out really well because it's 4 letters. So that is how I customized my iPhone with the new iOS 14. I hope you guys liked it. I hope I explained everything like the way it's supposed to be because I don't want to confuse you guys. Please subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up and send this to your friends that want to customize their iPhones. If you end up doing this, then tell me down below what like theme or aesthetic you went for, and also tell me what mine is for my phone because I have no idea. I'd like to say it's like beachy neutral aesthetic. Maybe that's a good name. My sister Ava is going to be posting her iOS customization video very, very soon, so make sure you are subscribed because she makes amazing videos. I was really inspired by Natalie Bell's phone. She did the iOS video a few days ago. I'll put it right there. I love her channel, guys. You have to go check her out. I also loved Lyric Walker's, Julia, and Sadie Alda's. You guys are the best. Keep smiling, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Bye. No. Ugh. Oh, a hummingbird. That was cute. It's not even hot. I don't know why I'm sweating and out of breath. I'm pretty sure I just filmed the whole intro and I didn't know that there was a tape roller in the background. I was always kind of like hesitant to customize my iPhone because I thought it was like an app that you would download or like some weird way that you would like hack in. Anywho, add to add to home screen. Stop. Dogs, please stop barking. I'm trying to do my voiceover because it was super. Oh my goodness. Okay.